A warm welcome to everyone. Myself, Tanya is from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Artificial Intelligence. I am from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. So today's subject is about analysis and design algorithms. The topic is merging k-sorted linked lists. This problem involves merging multiple linked lists into one sorted linked list. Like input k-sorted linked lists like the input consists of an array of k-sorted linked lists. List 1 1 3 5 7, list 2 2 4 6 8, and list 3 is 0 9 10. Sorted, each linked list is sorted in ascending order. So the as you see that the linked list has been sorted according to the ascending order. Next is a linked list is formed from many nodes. The last element is called as tail. So your desired output is one sorted linked list. The output should be a single sorted linked list containing all the elements from the input lists. So as we saw before input, there were three inputs like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10. So all are in a single line input where in a ascending order. As you can see here, output they have given us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the ascending order of the given question. Next is brute force approach. Merge all lists one by one. Step 1, merge the first two lists. Step 2, merge the result with the third list. Step 3, repeat until all lists are merged. For example, if we take a numbers like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So take first two lists and get merged with those two, and again with the help of that merging list, take another one and merge it together. Do it until it gets a single lined merge list, so it becomes in an ascending order row way. Next is time complexity of brute force approach. Time complexity, the brute force approach has a time complexity of O of n star k, means O of n into k, where n is the total number of nodes in all lists and k is the number of lists. So n is the total number of nodes in all lists and k is the number of lists. Reason, each merge operation takes 0 of n time and we perform k minus 1 merge operation. So the reason why we take O of n into k is because each merge operation takes O of n time and we perform k minus 1 merge operations here. So this there is a diagram here where there are three types of graph. One is undirected, directed, and complete graph. In undirected graph, so there is no direction here. In directed graph, each nodes have directed, and in complete graph, every sort of every edge of this graph is connected to each other. Next is optimized approach using a minimum heap. A min heap is a data structure that allows for efficient retrieval of the minimum element. Next is element. Store the first element of each list in the minimum heap. Next is extraction. Repeatedly extract the minimum element from the heap and add it to the result sheet. Next is insertion. After extracting an element, insert the next element from its list into the heap. There is an example here which is 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 9, 13, 9, 14, 20, 11, 19, 20, 17, and 18. So you can see according to the minimum heap, they have constructed the tree where 2 is in the in the upper head. Next, as a subtrees of 2, there is 3 and 8. So for 3, 4, and 7 are the subtrees, and for 4, 15 and 9 are the subtrees, and for 7, 13 and 9 are the subtrees. Here for 15, 20 and 17 are the subtrees, and for 9, 18 is the subtree. When it comes to right node, for 8, 10 and 9 are the subtrees, and for 10, 14 and 20 are the subtrees. For 9, 11 and 19 are the subtrees. There are totally 14 nodes where each connected to minimum heap or a minimum heap of the approach or the structure. Next is stats, arrays, and linked list queues. So time complexity of optimized approach are uh, the optimized approach has a time complexity of 0 of n log k, where n is the total number of nodes in all lists and k is the number of lists. So reason behind it is inserting and extracting elements from a minimum heap takes O of log k time. We perform these operations n times. Next is pseudocode for optimized approach. Function merge k list in bracket will mention as a list. Heap is equals to minimum heap. Result will be linked list. For list in list, if list is not empty, heap insert list head. So when it comes to the function, we are doing merge k list. So we will be taking heap as a minimum heap and the result should be in a linked list form. Where for the list in list, if list is not empty, state it as heap insert list head. While heap is not empty, node is equals to heap extract min result append node. If node next is not none, heap insert node next, return the result. So while the heap is not empty, give node as a heap extract minimum value you have to extract here, and the result you should append the node. If the node next is not the none, then heap insert node next. So then return the result. Next is implementation details, language. The algorithm can be implemented in any programming language that supports linked lists and heaps. Data structures, use appropriate data structures for linked lists and heaps, such as array or linked lists. Memory, the algorithm requires O of k memory to store the heap and O of n memory for the result list. The last part, conclusion and key takeaways. So the brute force approach is a simple but inefficient. Optimized approach is used. Min heap is more efficient with the time complexity of O of n log k. Data structures, efficient data structures like min heaps are essential for optimizing algorithms. Thank you one and all. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.